What is that one thing that you'd like our listeners to take away from our conversation today? That one thing.
Well, the whole idea of life is you need to focus, and you have to identify what makes you happy, what you love to do, and then you have to spend time to hone in and to develop your skill sets. It's of critical importance. We have a lot of people who love to talk, but they do not want to walk the walk. You can talk all you want, but I believe in action, in that just don't talk, but do it, and so that is a critical piece of the puzzle in life, in that you have to create the opportunity that's given to you and then develop as you go along, and be very strategic, because there's a lot of distractions along the way. So the focus is of critical importance, and your belief system is of critical importance, because I personally believe that if you don't have a belief system, who are you going to look to in terms of your growth and your development? And I think that is one of the major problems in the world today, is that some of us have lost our way. We do not have that innate ability to focus in on something and to do it. And then we have greed that comes along. You see, money is not all. Your life is of critical importance. It's good to have some money, but you will realize that some people will have all the money in the world and yet they're not happy. So your happiness is of critical importance. And so while you work, you need to enjoy yourself and to enjoy the best of what life has to offer.
And do you have any closing remarks, anything you'd like to say, add to what you've already said?
I must commend you on taking on the task of the word purpose, because the word purpose is of critical importance. As I said, it's a means to an end, and you have to basically plan and execute. And so my take is that you're always honing your skills as you grow to get better and better and better, so that at the end, you can achieve the plan or the objectives that you set out to accomplish.